guys, we are back here in Malaysia to check out the famous Hiap Ju Bakery and Biscuit Factory.
Let's go!
Here we are.
Oh no!
Looks like we need to queue for an hour. It's okay, it means their breads and cakes must be really good.
Awesome!
While we're on the line, let me share you some info. This renowned bakery is located at Johor Bahru, Malaysia. With a rich heritage dating back 1919, it has become a beloved institution in the local community. The bakery is famous for its commitment to preserving traditional baking methods, using wood-fired ovens to create unique flavors and textures in their products.
Awesome!
Finally, our turn!
Oh yeah!
Got it!
Wow!
Until we meet again, thank you for joining us on this tasty adventure.